Well, one of the findings from the research that we did several years ago on UN sanctions was that UN sanctions are never applied in isolation. They're always applied in combination with other measures, other policy instruments. And when sanctions are effective in coercing a change in behavior, which is only 10% of the time, 2/3 of those cases, sanctions are applied with effective mediation. And so we started becoming interested in what's the relationship between the application of sanctions and mediation efforts, either the establishment of mediation efforts or a substantial shift within mediation. And so what we've done is we've teamed up with Swiss Peace on mediation and with the UN University in Tokyo. And we're looking at whether the basic question is, do sanctions complement or complicate mediation efforts? And of course the answer is yes, they complement, and yes, they also complicate. So the real question is, under what conditions do they complement and under what conditions do they complicate? And we've got 6 different teams. Each team has a mediation specialist and a sanction specialist, looking at cases that we know worked in both ways. We'll know a lot more about it in a year when they come back with their first round of findings from their comparative research. But we have 6 teams located around the world looking at the sanctions in Somalia, in South Sudan, in Afghanistan, Libya, Yemen, and Sierra Leone. And that's the project.